Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to insert images into your Notion template. So we want to make sure that we can see our little writing prompt where it says write something or press space for AI forward slash for command. We're going to do our forward slash and we're going to type in image. You're going to see this little thumbnail and says upload or embed with a link. You can also just scroll down to where it says media and it'll be the first selection under media. So you're just going to click on that. And once you do that, this box is going to populate and it's going to give you the option to upload something from your personal files. You can embed a link. When you're embedding a link, you're going to another website and you're just copying the link to that website and putting that link to that image there. You can use Unsplash, which is a stock image type of platform where you can go in and choose from the images that are already pre-populated, or you can go in and search for an image, and you can also enter in a little GIF. These are just things that move, little images that move around. You also do have the option to actually pull and drag images into Notion template, which I do love this feature, especially if you have Pinterest. You can go on there, you can look for an image, and once you find an image, we're just gonna click on it and we're going to keep clicking and we're going to drag it over to our Notion template. It might take some maneuvering. You might need to resize it. You might need to move it around and put it exactly where you want. And the other thing is you're going to see this little menu here and it tells you you can comment, you can change the alignment. I'm just going to put it into a center alignment for right now. There are other ways and places that you can move it, not just this, but check out my other videos on how to move objects. And then you also have the option to add a little caption. So if you want to write something under it, you can crop the image, you can download it. And then these three little buttons, when you push on this is going to show you all the actions. If you need to delete the image, if there's other things that you need to do with this image, you're going to be able to do it in that little menu. And this is how you insert images into your Notion templates. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.